What's up everyone? Today, I'm revealing 3 AI businesses that can make you $373 a day, over $10,000 a month, without a single employee. Forget what you know about business. This is a proven roadmap to financial freedom using AI, with almost no startup cost. And you can do it from anywhere. I've spent the last month testing these strategies, and I'm handing you the keys to the kingdom. If you want to change your financial future and build an empire from your laptop, you're in the right place. I'll break down every step, show you the tools, and give you the blueprint for success. Are you ready? Because your life might never be the same after this video. Let's dive right in. First up, the AI Content Creation Agency, a business model that's changing the game for solo entrepreneurs everywhere. You don't need to be a professional writer, editor, or even a marketing expert. The AI does the heavy lifting for you, handling everything from brainstorming to final drafts. Every business out there needs content, blogs, social posts, emails, and videos to stay relevant and connect with their audience. The demand is endless, and most companies struggle to keep up. For them, it's expensive and time-consuming to create all this content in-house. But for you, with the right AI tools, it's fast, affordable, and almost effortless. With platforms like Jasper or Copy.ai, you can generate high-quality articles, emails, and ad copy in seconds. No more staring at a blank page or hiring expensive freelancers. AI tools like Lately or Flick take it a step further, transforming a single blog post into dozens of unique social media updates ready to be scheduled and posted automatically. You can offer businesses a simple, irresistible package, 4 blog posts and 30 social posts a month for just $500. It's a no-brainer for them, and a scalable offer for you. For you, it's just 2 hours of focused work each month, thanks to AI. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that gives you. As you add more clients, your income grows fast. 10 clients means $5,000 a month, and you're still working less than a traditional part-time job. The AI handles the bulk of the workload, so your main job is managing client requests, reviewing content, and making sure everyone's happy. Want to offer video too? Use tools like Pictory or Synthesia to turn scripts into full videos. No camera, no editing skills, and no expensive equipment required. Finding clients is easier than ever. Browse Upwork, Fiverr, or reach out directly to businesses with a simple email. There are thousands of companies looking for exactly this service. Offer a free AI-generated sample to show off what you can do. Let the results speak for themselves, and watch as businesses line up to work with you. Use Trello to keep your projects organized, and Zapier to automate repetitive tasks, so you can focus on growing your business, not just running it. To reach $11,200 a month, you only need 22 clients at $500 each, or just 11 clients if you offer a $1,000 premium package with extra features. No marketing degree, no big team, no fancy office, just you, your laptop, and your AI toolkit. It's all you need to run a high-profit business. This is a real, scalable business. 6 figures a year, all from the comfort of your bedroom or favorite coffee shop. Here's the formula. Use AI to create content, find clients, charge a monthly retainer, and scale up by adding more clients, not more employees or overhead. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Anyone with ambition and a laptop can get started today. This is your chance to build a one-person agency that can compete with much larger teams. Automate even more with Zapier. Imagine client requests flowing straight to your AI tools with minimal manual work from you. You're building a money printing machine that practically runs itself, freeing up your time for new projects or just enjoying life. Business 1, AI Content Creation Agency. Use AI writers and video generators, find clients, charge monthly, and scale as big as you want. This is easily a $100,000 a year business for one person, and the potential is only growing as more companies embrace AI. The opportunity is massive. Don't let it pass you by. The sooner you start, the sooner you can scale. Start today, and let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on building relationships and growing your client base. You're the CEO, and AI is your workforce, working 24/7, never taking a break, and always delivering results. So, are you ready to build your content empire and take control of your financial future? Let's move to business number 2 and see what other AI-powered opportunities are waiting for you. Next up, Let's talk about the AI-powered chatbot service, a business model that can truly become a hands-off passive income stream for you. Here's the problem: most small businesses don't have a good chatbot. They lose customers after hours, miss out on sales, and waste valuable time answering the same repetitive questions over and over. You can solve this for them by building an AI employee that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to help customers, day or night. Use platforms like TDO, Chatbase, or VoiceFlow. These tools are designed for non-coders. Just drag, drop, and customize. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. In just an afternoon, you can build a custom chatbot for a client. Train it on their website content, FAQs, and product information so it can answer real customer questions instantly. Charge a $500 $1,000 setup fee for each new client, plus $50 $100 a month for ongoing maintenance and support. This is a service businesses are happy to pay for because it saves them time and makes them money. The setup fee is a nice upfront bonus, but the real magic is in the monthly checks. That's where you start to build real, recurring wealth. Once your chatbot is up and running, the AI handles customer questions, books appointments, and even qualifies leads. You collect recurring revenue with almost no ongoing work, just a few minutes of maintenance each month. To reach $11,200 a month, you'd need 112 clients at $100 each, but you don't have to start big. Begin with just a handful of clients, and let your business grow steadily. Every new client means more setup fees and more monthly income. Finding clients is straightforward. Look for businesses with websites but no chat widget, or those with outdated, clunky chatbots. These are your perfect prospects. E-commerce stores, real estate agencies, dental clinics, restaurants, almost every industry can benefit from a smart chatbot. The demand is everywhere. You can even specialize. Become the go-to chatbot expert for a specific niche, like gyms or law firms, and duplicate your success across similar businesses. With tools like Chatbase, you can create a chatbot from a website link in just minutes. Then, customize it for each client's unique needs and branding. Upsell your clients by adding features like appointment booking, lead qualification, or CRM integrations. Each add-on means extra monthly fees and more value for your clients. The business is sticky. Once a chatbot is working and saving time, clients rarely cancel. Your income becomes stable and predictable. No technical skills required. Your main job is selling the value. More leads, more sales, and more free time for your clients. Focus on results, not tech jargon. Here's the recap. Build chatbots with no-code tools, charge setup and monthly fees, upsell extra features, and scale your way to passive income. This is your chance to build a SaaS business without writing a single line of code or hiring a team. You can do it all from your laptop. The opportunity is massive and the tools are more accessible than ever. AI is changing the way businesses operate, and you can be at the forefront. Start with just one client, learn the ropes, and then scale up as your confidence and reputation grow. The best part? You can run this business from anywhere in the world, your home, a coffee shop, or even a tropical beach. The AI does the heavy lifting, handling customer interactions while you focus on growing your income and enjoying your freedom. So, that's business 2, AI-powered chatbot service. It's scalable, profitable, and future-proof. Build, automate, and watch your passive income grow month after month. Ready for the final business? Let's take the next step and build your empire together. Third and final, welcome to the AI-driven e-commerce store, your fully automated digital empire. This is where technology and entrepreneurship collide to create a business that works for you, even while you sleep. Forget old-school dropshipping and manual hustling. We're building a futuristic AI-powered selling machine that runs on autopilot, giving you more freedom and less stress. Use advanced AI tools like Helium 10 or Zongaroo to instantly uncover high-demand, low-competition products. What used to take days of research now takes just minutes, giving you a huge edge over traditional sellers. Source your products directly from Alibaba and set up a sleek Shopify store in under an hour. The barriers to entry have never been lower, and the process has never been faster. Let AI handle the creative work, writing compelling product descriptions and generating stunning professional quality photos. No need for copywriting skills or expensive photography equipment. For advertising, use AdCreative.ai. The AI generates and tests hundreds of ad variations, automatically optimizing your campaigns and putting your budget behind the top performers. You get more sales for less effort. As sales roll in, your AI chatbot is always on duty, handling customer questions and support 24/7. Your customers get instant answers, and you get your time back. AI-powered inventory tools predict demand, track trends, and reorder stock automatically. You'll never run out of your best sellers or get stuck with dead inventory. Your main job: oversee the system, check your analytics, and watch the profits roll in. The heavy lifting is done by your digital workforce. To reach $373 a day in profit, aim to sell about $1,143 daily at a 30% margin. With a winning product and AI-optimized ads, this is not just possible, it's realistic for anyone willing to take action. Build a brand, not just a store. Use AI to generate your business name, design a unique logo, and craft a compelling brand story that connects with your audience. Create a universe around your product, think beyond a single item, and build an ecosystem that keeps customers coming back for more. Once you've mastered one successful store, simply repeat the process in new niches. The AI systems you set up can be duplicated, letting you scale quickly. Imagine running 5 stores, each generating its own stream of income, all automated, all managed from your laptop anywhere in the world. Scale your empire to 7 or even 8 figures as a solo entrepreneur, leveraging the power of AI to do what once took entire teams. This isn't just a fantasy. Real people are building these businesses right now, and the success stories are multiplying every day. The technology is here, the opportunity is massive, and the tools are more accessible than ever before. While others struggle to keep up, you'll leap ahead by integrating AI at every step of your business journey. Focus your energy on creativity, strategy, and big-picture thinking. Let AI handle the repetitive tasks and day-to-day operations. To recap, AI finds your products, writes your content, creates your ads, manages your customer service, and keeps your inventory in check. You build a scalable, future-proof brand, all by yourself, from anywhere in the world. Out of all 3 business models, this one offers the highest earning potential and the most room for growth. It's a true empire in a box, your own digital kingdom ready to launch. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's fully automated, efficient, and scalable. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start building your AI-powered store today and take control of your financial future. You're not just a store owner, you're the CEO of an automated, scalable corporation. So, are you ready to choose your path and step into the future of business? Let's wrap up. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here, transforming the way we work and build wealth. The only question left is, which AI-powered business will you start? There you have it, 3 AI business blueprints to make $373 a day or more, all without hiring a single employee. We covered the content agency, chatbot service, and e-commerce empire. The tools are accessible, the barrier to entry is gone, and the opportunity is bigger than ever. The age of AI is here. Will you be one of the new self-made millionaires? Comment below. Which business excites you most? I'm reading every comment. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ways to make money with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your AI-powered future starts now.